In a peaceful little town, there lived a very smart boy named Adam. Everyone believed he could achieve anything he wanted because he was talented and clever. And Adam had a big dream too. He wanted to become a great doctor one day. His goal was clear and his parents were proud of him. But Adam had one big weakness that kept pulling him down. He couldn't control his mind. Whenever he sat down to study, his brain would wander everywhere, sometimes to his phone, sometimes to Facebook, sometimes to YouTube, and sometimes he would just start daydreaming. He always told himself, there's still a lot of time. I will study later. But you and I both know later never comes. His parents and teachers kept reminding him how important focus was. But Adam thought if someone is smart, success will automatically come. I don't need anything else. One day, the results of an important school scholarship exam were announced. Adam hoped that if he won the scholarship, it would help him move closer to his dream. But when he checked the result, his heart shattered. He failed. Meanwhile, his friends who studied with discipline and consistency all passed with excellent marks. The same teachers who praised him before now felt disappointed. Adam felt humiliated. That evening, he sat alone in his room, ashamed and broken. He knew one truth. He was not lacking intelligence. He had only wasted his precious time. In that moment of realization, something inside him changed. He understood that being smart isn't enough. Without discipline, there is no success. He decided to change his life. The next day, he went searching for a mentor, someone who could help him not only in studies, but in controlling his mind. That's when he found Coach Miller, a well-known physical education teacher. People said that even the most unfocused boys changed under his guidance. Adam approached him and said, "Coach, I can't focus. My mind keeps jumping from one thing to another. How can I improve my concentration?" Coach Miller smiled and said, "Come with me." He took Adam to the school playground. From the sports room, he brought a toy bow and arrow, placed a target board in the field, and said, "If you hit the center of this board, I'll know how focused you truly are." Adam took a deep breath and shot the arrow, but he missed completely. Coach asked, "What were you looking at while shooting?" Adam replied, "I looked at the trees, the field, and the board." Coach shook his head and said, "That's the problem. You are looking at everything. A real athlete only sees the target." Adam, your mind is just like this, running in every direction. If you want to succeed during study time, you must only look at your goal, nothing else. Adam understood but asked, "Coach, how do I become disciplined?" Coach Miller then shared 4 golden rules of success. 1. Control your thoughts. When your mind tries to run away, bring it back. Remind yourself, this is study time. 2. Make a routine. Fix your study hours and follow them every day. Your mind will slowly learn discipline. 3. Remove distractions. Your phone, useless apps, and social media are stealing your time. Keep them away while studying. And 4. Practice every day. Discipline doesn't come in one day. Small habits build a strong mind. Adam listened carefully. That day, he made a strict routine. He turned off his phone during study time. Whenever his mind tried to distract him, he whispered to himself, "My dream is to become a doctor." At first, it was very challenging, but day by day, his focus grew stronger. Slowly, he was able to study for hours without distraction. Months passed. Then came another important exam. This time, Adam didn't only pass, he stood first. His success was not luck or talent, it was discipline, focus, and self-control. A year later, when he walked onto the stage to receive his scholarship, the audience clapped loudly. At that moment, he remembered Coach Miller's words. The mind is like a wild horse. If you don't control it, it will drag you anywhere it wants. But if you train it, it will take you straight to your destination. From that day onward, Adam promised himself one thing: train your mind with discipline, and success will follow you. So if Adam can change his life, you can too. Don't let laziness steal your future. Control your thoughts, build discipline, and chase your dreams with focus. If you believe this message can help someone, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss inspiring stories like this. I'll return soon with another motivational tale. Until then, be patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.